Dear students, this is Principal Vishwanath Swar. You have taken admission in different streams, like some have taken admission in science, some have taken admission in commerce, some have taken admission in vocational stream, some have taken admission in art stream. Now it is a general tendency that many students take the admissions not as per their free will, but because their friend is going to commerce stream, they are taking admission in commerce, or because parents they say that yes, science is better because you have got lot of scope in science, they go to science. But over the years of more than 3 decades of teaching, I have come to the conclusion that the students who take admission against their wishes never are successful. So now you have taken admission. I believe that it is out of your own free will. Let me tell you some very important things which you must get adjusted, you must get adopted. You have to adopt all this type of very important things in life to be a very good student. You have to always set the goals. You have to set the goals which are achievable. Now these goals should be set as long-term goals as well as short-term goals. And see that these goals which you set are achievable. Don't set certain goals or certain things which are not achievable. Another thing which is very important, that you have to set your objectives. Why you have joined a particular stream, why you have taken science stream, what you want to achieve by taking the science stream, what you want to be, what are your personal objectives, why you have taken. Ask all these type of questions to you. You should have vision of what you are going to do in future. This vision means foresight is very important. Without vision, you should not take a particular stream and study forcibly because you are forced to learn in that particular stream. Very important is when you are joined this college, you have to be you must have your own networking, personal networking. Now what is personal networking? Personal networking is you have to create some group of good friends who are ready to help you, who are intelligent, who are ready to help you. Not only friends, your relatives who have already done that particular course. Let us suppose you have got a relative who has done BSc or MSc. Be in touch with him. Always be in touch with him. Find out more about that particular subject. This is called as personal networking, and personal networking also is important. You can be connected with the ex-students, what they are doing, how they are achieving their targets, what is their scope in that particular. Always be there. See, the mobile is in your hand. The internet is in your hand. Just Google it and you are finding so many outings which are open in your particular stream. Very important, my dear students, you should be determined. Determination is very important. Set a goal and determine to achieve those particular goals. See, the student who is well determined, he will definitely do well in his career. So determination is very important. You should have organized approach. Now to achieve the goals, you set up a timetable. Right from the day one, you set up a study timetable. That these are my study hours. These are my study hours. I am going to wake up early in the morning, this particular time, and this particular time I am going to study, then college, and then in the evening play. Playing also is important. Physical exercises are also important. And in the evening, late evening, I am going to study for this. At least 3 to 4 hours of study on a regular basis from day one is very, very important. That is called as an organized approach. My dear students, just perspire. I always tell this to my students. Just perspire for 5 to 6 years, and you don't have to worry about your future. Your future will be bright. If you don't perspire now, if you don't work hard now, then whole of your life, till you are on the life, you are on the deathbed, you are going to struggle. You are going to struggle in the life. So if you want minimum struggle in the life, hard work now as a student is very, very important. Now you have to understand what you are learning. The teachers will do their job. but understanding has to be done by you. You can go on the YouTube. You can again contact the teachers and ask them the queries. Contact your that personal networking, and always be updated. You must have that updated knowledge. Whatever is done, say chapter 1 is taught yesterday, that chapter 1 has to be 100% completely understood by you. That is very important. Next, very important thing I always like to tell all my students: be enthusiastic. Always say yes. Be tolerant. See, you have to face this world, and in this world you are getting different type of people who are having different type of temperaments. So very important is be tolerant. Have tolerance. Tolerance, as Gandhiji said, tolerance always pays a lot of fruits. Always gets a lot of fruits. Next is knowledgeable. You should be knowledgeable. You have to read at least 1 or 2 newspapers, and that too one English newspaper in a day is very, very important. And always be social. Always have your social connectivity. Social quality is also important, because man is a social animal. He cannot survive without the society. You must develop good communication skills, my dear students. You should be in a position to communicate very well. Effective speaking is very, very important. That is going to help you when you answer your interviews and when you start taking up the jobs. So personal communication, or developing the communication skill. Now, how you can develop the communication skill? By updating your knowledge, by updating your vocabulary. Now, how to increase the vocabulary? Very simple thing. I always tell this to my students. Start reading the dictionary. At least read 100 new words daily. So just imagine, at the end of the year, you have got so many words. Vocabulary is already built up of so many words. Read newspapers. Read good books which are on personality development, which are our leaders, national leaders, our Goan leaders also. Read all this. That will improve your communication skills. Creative thinking also is very important. You have to think differently. If you want to be successful, you have to think differently. And always don't say no. Always say yes. And don't try to create problems. Try to get the solutions. How you can solve these problems. And last but not the least, I would like to tell my dear students, you must have a decision making capability. You must take decision at certain time. You should not be dependent. So these are some of the words I would like to speak in front of you. Please abide by all this, and I am very sure you will be a very, very successful person in your life. Thank you.